Hello and welcome to another episode of Laptop Retrospective, and today I have one of those things that you buy because it scratches this itch, and that's it right there. So it's an Orico hard disk drive or SSD enclosure, and it's shaped like a cassette tape. And for those of you that are watching that don't know what a cassette tape is, it's this device here that is practiced using alchemy to capture souls of the screaming damned, or listening to music. Sometimes it's both. At any rate, this is what they are. In terms of what this thing does, of course, is it takes those drives that are 2.5 inches and it allows you to run them externally. So what do we have in the box? We have the cable, of course, and it's actually a relief to see that this cable is actually a pretty common one used with these drives. I've seen this type of plug all the time with Western Digital externals, so that's handy. They give you the stickers to put on your cassette tape enclosure right here. And as you can see, the size is a bit off, but that makes sense because if we take a look at an SSD, the SSD is about the size of the tape, so you do need something to enclose it, or it's not really an enclosure. And it just slides open like so. Looks like we've got some foam padding, maybe if you don't want the drive to rattle around. And that is a snug fit already. There you go. That couldn't have been easier. So let's double check to make sure that it works. So I've got my trusty X220 here. And we'll plug that end in here, and we'll plug this end into a USB port. We've got a light, that is encouraging, and it works perfectly fine. The drive is being detected as a 120 gigabyte disk, and it's a really quick and dirty enclosure that I think looks really, really cool. If you want one of these for yourself, feel free to look in the description text down below where I do link where you can get one. It is worth pointing out that this is not a sponsored video, and this product was not sent to me, and I actually purchased it with my own money. As soon as I saw someone else that I knew had one, it was just something I also had to have as well. If you enjoy this sort of content and would like to see more, I'm going to encourage you to do the big four. Please like the video, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so the next time I feature some retro-looking tech like this, you're the first to know about it. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time.